Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda, hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2022 Honda Jazz EX Crosstar. Now of course we've got full LED headlights on this car, we've also got full front parking sensors, and then coming round to the side we've also got these brilliant 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and of course the condition that you do get. But then we've also got 4 rear parking sensors and a reversing camera just at the rear there. We've got plenty of room in the tailgate, including 60-40 split flat folding rear seats that do fold flat with this level just here. Then walking out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now we've got your cloth grey interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. We've then got full electric windows all round and keyless entry and start. Then inside the car we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've got your economy mode as well with your CVT gearbox, that is all in the middle. Then we've got your climate control with 2 front heated seats. We've got your touchscreen display which comes with your satellite navigation, comes with all your various audio sources just there. And then of course we do also have your Bluetooth hands-free. Now this smartphone feature here is your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But then coming over to the steering wheel now, we've got your volume, voice assistant, track select, the return button, the bezel and the home button control your onboard computer. On the right hand side we've got your speed limiter, cruise control, lane keep assist and distance control. Then as you can see we've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. But as you can see, most importantly of all, this car has done 58,115 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Jazz Crosstar, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.